Creating animated proof pop-ups is one of the quickest and most effective ways to boost conversions on your website. These small animations can create social proof, building trust with your audience and encouraging them to take action. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create animated proof pop-ups that grab attention and drive engagement, step by step. Now, if you're looking for a tool to do this, you're in the right place. You can actually use this software for free, and I'll give you exclusive bonuses if you check out the first link in the description below. So stick around, because what you learn here could significantly improve your website's performance. Let's jump into it. First off, the software we'll be using allows you to design animated proof pop-ups without needing any coding skills. You'll have access to customizable templates that you can tweak to fit your brand and message. This means you can have these pop-ups up and running in no time. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, select Create New Pop-up and choose from a range of templates. There are several types of animated pop-ups you can choose from, but today we'll focus on the most effective ones, like recent activity pop-ups or sale notifications. These work wonders because they create a sense of urgency and show that others are already taking action. Now, after selecting your template, it's time to customize. The software lets you adjust everything from the colors and fonts to the message and timing. You'll want to make sure your pop-up matches your website's aesthetic and brand voice, so it doesn't stand out too much. At the same time, you want it to be noticeable enough to catch visitors' eyes. The key here is timing. You don't want these proof pop-ups to appear too early, or they might annoy users. But you also don't want them to show too late, when the visitor has already left your page. A great tip is to set the pop-up to appear after a few seconds of someone browsing, or when they're about to exit your page. This creates the perfect opportunity for your pop-up to grab attention at the right moment. For the animation part, this is what truly differentiates these pop-ups from simple text notifications. You can choose animations like a slide-in, fade-in, or bounce effect. These effects are designed to catch the eye without being too disruptive. Just make sure the animation you choose is subtle and not overly flashy, or it may have the opposite effect and turn users off. Once you've set up your pop-up and animation, you can set the rules for when it should show up. For example, you can choose to display the pop-up on certain pages, or based on actions users take, such as clicking a specific button. The idea is to show proof at the most opportune times when it's most likely to convert a visitor into a customer. Now, here's a tip that a lot of marketers overlook. Don't just use generic messages. Personalize your pop-ups as much as possible. For example, instead of just saying 10 people bought this in the last hour, try adding a more specific message like Sarah in New York just bought this 10 minutes ago. This creates an even stronger sense of urgency and trust. It's all about making the experience feel more authentic and real for your visitors. Finally, make sure you test your pop-ups. The software provides analytics so you can track how well they're performing. Are visitors clicking? Are they engaging? Based on that data, tweak your pop-ups to make them even more effective. Remember, the more relevant and timely you make your proof pop-ups, the more likely they'll convert visitors into paying customers. And here's the great news. This software I showed you is completely free, and you can access it with a special extended trial by clicking the first link in the description below. If you're serious about boosting your website's conversion rates, creating animated proof pop-ups is one of the easiest ways to start. So go ahead and try it out and make sure to track your results. You won't regret it. Thanks for watching.